Ano? You need to walk around?
Yes, I'm full.
O, sige mo.
Look.
Ay, wow. Sa? Putang ina mo ka. Bastos mo. Mag-part-time ko muna ng gardener dito, oh. Dali na.
No,
But-
stop touching the plants, please.
No, I'm not touching the plant.
They're all going to die.
Uy, ay, rosemary! Muna mo!
Yes, of course.
Ay, ang laki-laki, oh. Rosemary pala to.
Oh, and she has thyme also somewhere.
Bango.
There's also this is thyme. No,
Tanga, it's rosemary. It's rosemary, love. She picked it up kanina para sa beef.
Yeah.
Hala, ngayon ko na nakita. Ang galing, laki-laki. Ang galing. Oh, mag-garden na ka na ba?
Super smelly, huh?
Oo, yes. It's
Smell,
good.
smell.
It's good for the chicken. Ah, it's good for the chicken. Ang sarap. Bango-bango. Bango-bango. Ang laki pala. Kala ko maliliit lang yung rosemary. Malaki pala. Aya. Ito, ang laki ng rosemary. Ito, ginagawang jam. Ang sarap nito. Ito, bay leaf. Yung dahon ng laurel. Ah, yung ito palang dinadry. Dahon ng laurel. Ang laki-laki pala.
Big. Mahal.
Super big. Tapos, ito, ang laki ng rosemary. Oh. Tapos, dito, meron siyang
Ça, c'est
ito.
du romarin. This is
Thyme.
Annette.
Ano to?
Annette, it's for fish. It
Ah,
smells,
parang,
you know,
oo,
look,
sa
it
mga-
smells like
pag
anise, like
nagsisteam-
pastis, like
Nang
pastis.
nag-steam ka ng fish,
Smell.
ito ilalagay mo. Ay,
Like
sarap.
pastis.
Oo.
This is good for fish.
Tapos ito, thyme. Thyme. Tapos, what's that?
Curry plant.
Curry.
No,
Curry plant.
It's
Si, ça s'appelle
curry.
curry plant.
no, but is it for curry?